guys, this episode of Green Tea Time is a follow-up from last video where I taught you how to make a hanging air plant arrangement. Tips on where to hang or place your hanging air plant arrangement, as well as some watering guidance. Same shirt for you as last time, so it looks like one big long video. You're welcome. So air plants are really cool because they get their nutrients from air. There's no need for soil. So if you're hanging this arrangement inside someplace, make sure it's in a place that gets really healthy airflow. If you're hanging outside on the patio, be sure it's in part sun or shade, also in a very protected space. So it is getting good airflow, but nothing to damage it. When it comes to watering, I like to submerge them one time a week for 3 to 5 minutes, pull them out, set them upside down to let them dry out. You decide to hang up your air plant arrangement or just let it hang out. I hope you enjoy your new home accent piece.